Okay, so let's proceed and do the next exercise. This one over here is asking us, in some page replacement algorithms, example, last recently used, it is necessary to have an approximation of when each page in a page table was last accessed, when the last memory access within the range occurred. Explain briefly how to efficiently obtain an approximation of this information for each page in computers with common architectures. Notes: only the approximation of the last access time is required, not the details of page replacement algorithms, okay? You need to rely on hardware mechanisms for a solution. So in this case, what we do, what a computer does normally, is, let's go right here, 5, is we have reference bits. We use reference bits, right? So we use reference bits in our page table to identify the last used so-called pages, right? So to speak, right? So what this means is we have, I'm gonna show you later, don't worry. So we use identify last used pages, and we reset our bits in a periodic time. Therefore, making it possible to identify an approximation, right? An approximation of the last used pages. So what we do here, an example here, let me just write an example, and we can do like something like that, right? Imagine we have some page tables, right? Imagine we have this page table, just copy it, oops, duplicate it, put it over here, and put it over there. So imagine we have some pages, right? Imagine we have page 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this case, we're gonna have another column here. And let's say this is, oops, what are we looking actually? In this case, this is gonna be the R bit. Okay. So the frame, I don't know, we have 7, 3, 2, 6, 1, right? In this case, let's just say that we have the following. If we can have, imagine all here to 1, right? And after a periodic time, so we can just do like a clock, reset our bits after within a timer, right? This means we're gonna have the page table looking like so. 0, 0, 0. All of them are 0, right? And then, right? Let me just move our exercise 5 down below because we have no more space here. Then some time passes, so we can write here. Time passes. Some pages are accessed. And what we will have is simply the same table, just with some bits that are bits that have been used as 1. Right? So let's say 1, 1, and 1. In this case, right? In this case, we can replace those pages for which the R bits are equal to 0 as they haven't been recently used. And that's pretty much what we want to do. That's pretty much the whole logistics of the whole situation for this exercise, right? We don't have to, we only need an approximation of the last access. So in this situation, our method works. We need to rely on power mechanisms for a solution. So the R bits are basically that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I think, for this video. And we're pretty much done with exercise 2. And let's dive into exercise 3. So again, thanks for watching.